So let me show you step by step how to edit shared file in Google Drive. So let's say now someone shared a file for me and I want to edit the file. Let me show you step by step how to do it. So now let's say I want to let's copy the link of this one. I'll make you, so after you copy, you get the link. So let's say I'll click on this and go to incognito. So now I'll paste in the link. After pasting the link like this one, so now if the person now allow you to edit the file, you can edit the file. But if the person doesn't allow you to edit the file, you cannot edit the file. But for this file, as can see now, for the link of this one, as can see now, the person has allowed me now to edit the file. Let's try to edit the file and see it works. It's not working. So if the file or if the link has been shared for you as you cannot edit the file, so if you open the file, you'll be able to see a button like this one where it says request edit access. So if you click on this request edit access, so from there a notification will be sent to the original owner of the file, and if the original owner of the file give you access, that's the only way you can be able to edit the file. But if the original owner of the file has not given you access, you cannot edit a file that has been shared with you as a only viewer. And that's it, guys. You can just click on this request edit, and then if the person allow you, so you can be able to edit the file. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.